Yo, so the moment you start spending less time yada yada and talking about other people's things and focusing on your journey and yourself and what you're gonna get for yourself, that's where God starts answering you. I wish everybody the best, everybody, good or bad. I know people that hate on me. I know people that just hate me because I'm me, man. And God has just blessed me the way He has, and they hate that, they envy that. But I wish them the best because God just keeps giving me more. Every time I wish my enemies the best, He just keeps giving me more. I have enemies I've never met. I've got enemies I don't even know. I have enemies that consider themselves my friends and they think I don't see it. So I'm just like, okay, alright, bro, I play along. But I know God's got me, so I don't even fear you. A lot. It's crazy. I don't even confront people anymore, man. I'm just like, fuck, you said that about me? Oh shit, he had the time. So enough vandaag, as you can see, it's really like a spanning kilo kere, Ilopanda something for my crazy because halaro so god. Awupulo na waganama abonde letseka matlo. So all the jabo phelo ba.
When you can't stay motivated, stay consistent. All right? Consistency gonna bring back your motivation, no matter what it is. You heard? Basketball players, rappers, sanitation people, whatever it is. You dig? That consistency, staying on point, staying disciplined, and staying focused, no matter on them days that's hard. They're gonna make the days that you are motivated that much greater.
This is the only time I ever feel free. Free from stress, free from worry, free from everything.